doing another hike at Rodeo Beach. So it's obviously got a little beach action, some surfers, then it's also got some hills. So I'm gonna try to hike up and get a view of downtown San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge from the top here. So far though, it's really cool. As you can see, this is just staggeringly beautiful here. And yeah, not overly crowded, which is nice, and I'm just glad I'm here on a partly cloudy day. This week it's been a lot of rain, a lot of clouds, and a lot of fog, so you can actually see something today. Okay, so the Lagoon Loop Trail seems to be exactly what it sounds like. And it's just a little trail around that lagoon. And as you can see over my shoulder, that goes back there and away from the ocean. So I'm gonna actually go back towards the beach area. Saw some people hiking on a ridge, see if I can't get up there. Okay, now we're back on the right path. Already, it's crazy how the view has changed. The lesson, like always, check the maps before you go. I wanted to just do a quick hike over to this area, and it looks like I could have just driven there. So that's all right. We're getting out. We're getting a little exercise in. Trying to see it in the distance. See the other side of the Golden Gate Bridge. We're in deer country. And I am off the trail. I'm walking on roads. But at least I know I'm not lost. And right behind me, the view that I was trying to find. So that's pretty cool. That is a pretty cool view. Right ahead you can see, that's where the cars are. Okay. That was a pretty quick but pretty cool hike.